Exceed English Grade 4 Block number 12 Writing a Personal Letter Lesson Plan 1 Elements of a Personal Letter. Students will be able to identify the elements of a personal letter. Students, do you have a letter box at home? Do you receive letters? Do you write letters? Today we are going to read a letter. Address number 32 First Cross at 8 Main Lajpat Nagar, Bangalore. Date November 30, 2013. Dear Rashi, how are you? I wanted to write you a letter earlier but got busy with exams. I'm writing to you to tell you about my trip to Lonavala. I went to Lonavala for 2 days. It is a beautiful place with hills everywhere. I saw lots of tourists and cheeky stores. We stayed at the Hillview Resort. The resort is located at the foothills. Every morning I went for a walk and came back to the smell of hot ginger chai. For breakfast I ate lots of delicious chola bhatura, which is my favorite. I felt relaxed and fresh after 2-day break, waiting to hear from you. Yours lovingly, Sam. So students, tell me, when was the letter written? Yes, the letter was written on the 30th of November. Where is this place? It is from Bangalore. Who is the letter for? The letter is for Rashi. Who wrote the letter? Sam wrote it. And what is it about? It is about Sam's trip. Today we are going to learn the different parts of a personal letter. So how many parts does a letter have? Letter have 5 parts. Which part comes first, second, third, fourth and fifth? The first part is the heading, which contains the writer's complete address. The second part is the salutation, which is the opening greeting in any letter. The third part is the body, which has the writer's thoughts in paragraphs. The fourth part is called the closing, which is way of saying goodbye. Like the salutation, the closing starts with a capital letter and ends with a comma. The final part is the signature of the writer. The heading helps the person who gets the letter reply to the sender. A salutation is important to greet the receiver of the letter. After this, when the receiver reads the letter, the body contains the main message of the letter. The closing at the end helps the writer conclude the letter. Finally, the letter ends with the signature, which tells who wrote the letter. People write letter for a variety of reasons. They may want to tell a friend or family members who lives far away about the special experience they had. They may want to invite someone they know to an event or celebration. Letters are a very personal way of communicating. They can be kept and read again to bring back memories. It tells the receiver of the letter that you have taken time to write it. It also helps you to express your thoughts creatively. Students, open your volume 2 to page number 20. First question. Read the parts of a letter, number them in an order that they appear in a letter. How are you doing? I just got back from my 10-day vacation in Bekal. Dear Aditi, there is a lot more to say. I will tell you more when we meet next month. Write to me soon. Yours lovingly. I stayed at the Taj Bekal, which is in Lakshadweep, overlooking the sea and the Kapil River. I travelled to Bekal by train with my sister, and from there we took a taxi to the resort from the station. On reaching Bekal, we saw coconut trees everywhere along with little boats on the beach. We stayed in a room on the backwaters. At night, we heard all kinds of creatures making noises. In the tree above us, we could also hear the swish of the water while lying in bed. To make the nights fun, the resort had a bonfire for all the guests. My sister was sleepy, so we had dinner early and went to bed. The next morning we woke up to the smell of hot appams and chicken stew. So we changed our clothes and headed to the restaurant. There we ate and felt happy with the taste of delicious food. After that, we lazed around in the sun and watched a movie. Number 20A, 6th Main Road, 5th Cross, Vikasnagar, Bangalore, 28 November 2013. So how does a letter start? First, we always write the address. Sender's address will be numbered as 1 number. Then, greeting. Dear Aditi will be the second number. Third number will be how are you doing? I just got back from my 10-day vacation in Bicol. Fourth will be the body. I stayed at the Taj Bicol, which is in Lakshadweep. Then fifth will be there is a lot more to say. I will tell you more when we meet next month. Write to me soon. Then sixth will be yours lovingly, Anasua. Why do we write letters? Give two reasons. I write letters because it allows me to write creatively. B. I write letters to my relatives and friends because I want to know about their well-being.